In this exciting video, I'll be flipping a $30 account into over $2,300, trading nothing but gold using pure price action. I'll be applying one powerful concept, the fractal nature of the market. I'll break down how I analyze chart patterns that actually make sense, while spotting key liquidity zones, volume spikes, and reading the market profile like a pro. The market offers countless setups, and once you understand how price behaves, flipping an account like this becomes simple. So simple, even a 2-year-old bouncy baby boy could get it. So all you have to do is sit down and be patient. If you're a beginner, or someone struggling to find consistency, stick around till the end, because I'm going to show you just how easy and very possible this is, with faith, discipline, and commitment. Let's dive in. First, we're going to analyze the trend, liquidity, and volume profile of this market. Starting with the 4-hour time frame, we can see that gold is in a clear bullish trend, evidenced by the formation of higher highs and higher lows. Liquidity is resting right here, as marked, and price has already taken out the sell-side liquidity. Now, we're seeing an increase in buying pressure, confirmed by a rise in volume. When we combine these three factors, trend, liquidity, and volume, it gives us a strong bias to look for buying opportunities around this zone. However, that alone isn't enough. We still need more confluence. So let's zoom in and fractalize the structure further. Dropping down to the 1-hour time frame, we can already spot a clear head and shoulders pattern. This becomes our first confluence. Next, we have a strong bullish engulfing candle, which acts as our second confluence. This cluster of candles forms a clear rejection zone, signaling buyer interest. Finally, zooming into the 5-minute time frame, my preferred entry level, we spot a clean bullish flag pattern. This confirms ongoing buying pressure, so I'm executing my buys right here at this zone. At this point, all my conditions are fully met. This trade is now set to play out. I'm letting it run, and based on the confluences I've stacked, I'm confident this setup is a winner. Now it's all about patience. My first take profit is around 3,052. Once price taps that level, I'll close partials, lock in profits, and look to scale up with a bigger lot size. So for now, we wait. Let's trust the process. Let the buyers do their thing, and I'll catch up with you shortly. And just like that, price has already delivered around 170 pips. Wow, this is incredible. We can clearly see the head and shoulders pattern is now complete, and the best part? Zero drawdown. I'll start booking some profit here because, with such a small account, this is more than enough. I'll either close a few layers or exit entirely and wait for the next setup. Remember, gold gives multiple setups daily. You just need patience for the perfect one. They appear constantly, often 2 or 3 times a day. For now, I'm locking in this profit and standing aside. Once I spot another high-confidence setup, I'll update you immediately. Stay tuned. It's just after the New York Open, and I'm entering a sell on gold. Here's why. I'll execute the trade first because the market could move aggressively. Earlier, I expected a rally, but now I'm seeing exhaustion. Buyers appear to be taking profits and exiting. This signals potential downside continuation for the rest of the New York session, likely down to the 3,020 demand zone. Another key reason, the market is trapped in consolidation between demand and supply, as you can see on the 1-hour time frame. Notice the strong rejection candle from the supply zone. I'll scalp this move and exit near the demand zone. Let's watch the price action closely. Just as we expected, price is dropping sharply, falling nearly 150 pips straight into our demand zone. My confluence came from that clear wick rejection at the supply zone, along with buyer exhaustion during the New York session. With no momentum left to push higher, the drop was inevitable. And yes, we called this move perfectly. Now, I'm closing all my trades and stepping aside. With the New York session wrapped up, volatility is fading as we head into the night session. I'll be back tomorrow, ready for fresh setups. Until then, stay disciplined and watch those levels. See you in the next session. Price kept dropping after yesterday's close, but now we've got a strong buy setup. I'm entering fast, capitalizing on this London session momentum. Here's why. Looking at the H4 timeframe, we can see a clear rejection off our marked demand zone, signaling upside continuation toward the next supply. On the M5, we have formation of higher highs and higher lows, with clean breaks and retests. My high confidence entry trigger. Buys are live. I'll exit quickly. Speed matters when compounding this account. Stay sharp. I'll update at the next pivot. All right, this is our final trade of the week, a high conviction breakout play. You're seeing that massive bullish surge on gold right now, and I'm jumping in with buy limits. The H4 trend is solidly bullish. We've got a clean breakout with strong volume, and momentum is clearly on our side. I'll admit this entry's a bit aggressive. If the energy fades, I'm out immediately. But with this being our last trade of the week, I like our odds for one final push higher. Let's stick to the plan and trade this breakout smartly. After more than 4 hours in this trade, I'm locking in these incredible profits. An amazing run from $30 all the way to $2,300. This is exactly the kind of win we trade for. No need to get greedy. We'll take this victory and wait patiently for next week's opportunities. Thank you for watching. Make sure you're subscribed because in my next video, I'll break down this entire trade with detailed analysis. Until then, enjoy your profits and I'll catch you in the next one.